Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're going to unbox this Ferrex 7-watt rotary tool. So when shopping yesterday at the local Aldi Supermarket, I spotted this and thought that might be handy and picked it up. It cost $19.99, so for just under $20 it looked interesting. So let's have a look and see what we get. So we've got a box and a manual, nothing else in the cardboard box. It's a fairly thick manual, this one. So it's got the list of what's in it. And you've got all of your safety warnings. In other words, wear safety glasses with any of these tools. And this one may, let's just have a look if I can open up the page. Yeah, hearing protection as well, and a dust mask. So make sure you're aware of those. And it comes with a 36-month warranty. That's pretty good. So what's that, 3 years? Alright, let's open it up and have a look. So press in here. Foam block to make sure all of the tools stay in place. We have a power supply. This is a small switch mode power supply. Inputs 100 to 240 volts with an output of 18 volts at 0.4 amps. So the lead on it is approximately 2 meters. So this is 4 times, and you've got about a half meter in distance there. So around 2 meters in total. We have the tool itself. Just a thumb screw on that one. Rotates. Looking at it from that end, it's anti-clockwise, going by the arrow on the body. From the back end, that would be clockwise. And we have some tools that come with it. Ooh. We have more in the bottom. So we have what looks like a stencil, another stencil, and some more tools. And in here we have some cutting discs. These are very thin little cutting discs. 2 more grinding stones and 2 what looked like diamond coated or abrasive type cutting. These would be good for cutting tiles or engraving into tiles. And you've got one that's got a point on the end as well as 3 sanding drums. So let's have a bit of a look in the other part of the kit. So this is your sanding drum arbor. This one is the arbor for the cutting discs. You've got a brush, round ball, a few different shape cutting implements. Those ones are more grinding. This one looks like it's actually got solid teeth on it. This would really do a bit of damage if you hit yourself with that one. And what looks like a drill bit. So let's put something that's not so dangerous into it. We'll start with the brush. So press that button down, which locks the rotor, and you can loosen the collar off. And tighten it up. Alright, let's plug it in and see what we get. switch is in the off position. Yeah, pretty straightforward. There's no speed control on it that I can find at all. So it's either on or off. So looking at this, it would be very easy to engrave using those engraving templates. But it surprised me that they put this box in underneath. But I suppose it's about the only place they had left to put it. Very interesting. I've actually seen most of these tools with other rotary tools, or these bits, and I do have some sets. So yeah, it can be very handy if you're cleaning out parts within your 3D prints. Just remember, when you're using something like an FDM type print, some of those things will actually melt when you apply a bit of high speed rotation to them. PLA's known for that problem. That'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe and ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to help the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my VIP patron GoLucky, my all access patron Jerde, and my builder patrons Morales45, Andrew Cardone and Havish, along with my YouTube member Thomas McLeland. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or drop into the Discord and ask your question there. Either myself or one of the other members may be able to answer your question. And we'll see you in the next video.